The EVEAGE 2-in-1 Undercarriage Pressure Washer stands out with its impressive 24-inch length and 7 nozzles, offering a significantly larger cleaning area. This versatile pressure washer attachment can be used both as an undercarriage cleaner to protect car underbodies from rust and corrosion, and as a water broom for cleaning large surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, and patios. It is compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers, allowing for both hot and cold water usage, and performs best with a pressure washer of 3000 psi or higher. The inclusion of 3 extension wands means you no longer need to bend or strain while cleaning your vehicle's undercarriage, providing a much more comfortable cleaning experience. Connecting all parts is simple and quick thanks to the 1/4 inch quick plug, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. This 2-in-1 undercarriage pressure washer makes an excellent gift for car enthusiasts who take pride in maintaining their vehicles.